Hi, this is Kevin with KGMGM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. It is the beginning of the season, and as usual, I am getting my ass handed to me. I'm knocked all the way down to bronze 3, 233, but I finally got my quest done. So let's go ahead and get the reward for it for today, and then we'll open the pack up. Then we'll look at the numbers, and then I've got a new in part of the video. I'm going to show you some information on Splinterlands that I came across, and we'll probably report on at least once a week. This ain't going to be too good. Well, I got a potion. That's what I get in the higher levels too. So, but when bronze 3 is the worst. I shouldn't say use the word worse because it's all good, but you just get a lot more the higher up you get. So being down at the bottom kind of hurts because you know you can do better, but I will be up there. Let's go open up the pack now. And I got 8 and 8 potions, but I'll use 5 and 5, 5 gold and 5 legendary. It's 1 potion per card. There's 5 cards per pack. And that's 1 potion for legendary, 1 for gold. That's why it's total of 10. And what the potions do is it doubles your chance to get a gold card or a legendary. You're guaranteed a rare or better, and there it is right there. Now, all these could still be gold, but these could only be common. You don't have to use potions to get a good card because I'm proof of that with my Ifrit Rising. When I first started, I bought 25 packs and I got a what did I get in it? I got a gold legendary. So and I had no potions, but I do believe in the potions. So let's flip these over and see. And here we go with the. And I got that, I think yesterday or the day before, but that's cool. I'm going to burn these, combine these like I do in all my videos. So today, now I usually go over how to make money in the site. I'll do that again tomorrow. What I wanted to show you today was every week they have a town hall. It's called Splinterlands Town Hall. Just type it in and you'll find it. And it's usually like 4 o'clock. It's very long. It's usually about 4 hours long. So they put out this update. Here's the speakers. I'm starting to get to know them by name, and you will over time as you play the game. Main topics. The Splinterlands TV is the big one I want to talk about. So general intro, then they talk, question, answer, closing remarks. Okay. Splinterlands TV will be streaming 24/7 on Splinterlands content every day. Constant exposure and covering content will continue to get our name out there. May have specific stream announcements in the future. All donations and subscriptions will go straight to the streamers. So it's not them doing it. They're bringing in YouTubers and Twitch people because it's on Twitch, if I remember right. We're including a mix of non-English speakers as well as to make this a global stream. Let me see. They've got the Splinter Bytes will be unique per league you are in. So they're separating. They're going to try to keep the big guys from beating up on the small guys, which they've been doing that. That's why you have bronze, silver. But like right now, when everybody's pushed back into bronze, it's a free for all. And of course, the more money you sunk into it, the faster you'll grow. I'm just spending for 1 pack a day. That's what I've allotted myself as a budget, and then building it through buying and selling. And I talk about that in all my videos. But so separating us can help the little guy, the morale. I can see, like today I lost my ass. I spent about a half an hour trying to get, the 5 victories for the quest. And so I can see where people who haven't fully bought into the game yet and see what's going on and understand the future of it might get discouraged and like, well, I can't win a battle. I'm not even going to play. And that's not good. If anything, you want to keep it as balanced as possible. And they're trying. They're doing a very good job at it. And it just gets better and better. What did I see about land? there's a Chaos Legion only tournament, which is good. That means only the new cards can be used, which helps out the average Joe. There's something about land. Here's about the comic book they're going to be putting out. And anyway, uh, that's on the town hall. You can check that out yourself. But here's some information. Okay, how old is Splinterlands? I've been telling you about 3.5 years. 2018 is when it was founded, but it really didn't launch till 2021 March. Okay. Um, what was another thing I want to show you? It's based out of Media, Pennsylvania. I did not know that. I thought it was overseas. A lot of this stuff is. Um, okay, how many users does Splinterlands have? According to Peak Monsters, Splinterlands now averages 3 million transactions every day and almost 10 million battles with 400,000 players from around the world. Well, that was October 29th of last year, so you can imagine where it's at now. Does Splinterlands make money? How does Splinterlands work? Splinterlands is either played on a web browser or on your mobile phone as a play-to-earn game. Every card that you obtain is an NFT, which becomes your property that you can sell in the marketplace for money, meaning everything you earn in the game is worth something. And that's absolutely true. How much does it cost to start playing Splinterlands? In the course of crypto research, I discovered a video game on the blockchain called Splinterlands. The basic game is free to play, although you really, really, really want to spend the $10 to make the entire game available. Let's see if I got the Hive blockchain. Splinterlands is built on the Hive blockchain. Users automatically get an account on this blockchain when they purchase a spell book. The blockchain supports decentralized apps, games, and cryptocurrency wallets. Players can convert some of their Splinterlands cards into ERC 721 tokens. And I think that's what I got. Okay, so I because I've been throwing out some stuff there that I really had just kind of heard. I wanted to verify that's what's going on. And again, I think it's on Wednesdays. Wednesdays or Thursdays when they do it the last time, but yeah, March 30th. So that was Wednesday. So keep an eye open for this. If not, I'm going to do the update page here, and of course, a lot of other YouTubers are now Splinter Talk. I got to learn how to do this, but you can earn DC by just talking on it. So let's go to Peak Monsters, which is attached to the site, and took a beating. It's been a rough day. Everything's down 700. That's a new record low. 772. It went even lower. That's what I expect in markets. You're going to have your ups. You're going to have your downs. As bad as it is right now, with as far as the market, and that's because we got such a flood of new cards. They put out 15 million packs. We're through half of them, and we still got half to go. Which, you know what? In the long run, I think it's a great thing because, one, I enjoy being able to have a pack open every day. New people should have an exposure to be able to buy a pack every day. We usually on sites are sold out, and I think that was their goal by putting out so many. But what happens every day? You're burning, combining, and selling, making them more powerful for you, but at the same time, you're making them more rare and valuable for everybody. So the burning mechanism is incredible. It's a very powerful. Vivi wants to do it. They haven't got it there yet. Top Shot just started doing it. All Day hasn't started it yet, but they're all burning is probably the number one power you can hand to the people to decide how rare they want to make this stuff. You can set an initial limit of 1 million cards, but the people can make it 10 cards if they keep burning all day long, right? Now, of course, the less there are, the higher the value goes up and less people are going to want to burn. But that is the way it works. So here's the numbers. Day 90. I am not a financial advisor. Let's be on risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is not sponsored by Splinterlands. This is on my own. I'm trying to get to a $10,000 asset level after I pay myself back. So with the way I'm going, like tomorrow, I'll put in 10 more dollars. I buy 2 packs. Then I buy potions, and with any change left over, I buy some cards. I just do the $10 because I was trying to separate it with cards, and it was getting too confusing. So every day for the rest of the year, every other day, I'm putting in $10. That's going to give me an investment of about $1,500 out of pocket. Okay. So my goal is to pay myself back and walk away with $10,000 or have a value of 10,000 because I'm going to keep playing this game. This is a long-term thing. So I'm at 564 right now. I started in January 2nd, didn't start filming to the 7th of February. That's when I came up with the ideal. And this is also a record for myself. I can see what I did wrong, what I did right. I can come back here and say, look, the market's done this before. Uh, I keep telling the story about Bitcoin. I bought Bitcoin at 10,000, and of course, immediately it dropped to 3,000. Now, the worst thing I could have done was panic sell because I would have lost my ass. Instead, I forgot about it for it was like 5 months. It was down at 3,000. It was a long time. And then all of a sudden it skyrocketed. I got back out at 18. And then, of course, it went to 60. So I missed out on the gains, but I still doubled my money. And it was a lot better than panic selling. But it's the same way in all this stuff. Okay. You just got to be patient and let it work itself out. The system works. So anyway, value cards, number of cards I got, PowerPoints, which you always want to be going up. SPS, this is free crypto they're giving out right now for the next 4 months, and my profit. So let's go. I'll go down low so you can pause it and look at what I've done each day. So far, I have not missed a day of video, but I'm sure I will. Not a big deal, but you'll still give me a very good picture. Now, I've changed my strategy about 3 or 4 times, and I'm probably going to change it 1,000 times more. But the other day, I decided to start saving my DEC because I found out it really is beneficial for free SPS, which they're only going to do for another 4 months. So I figured, hey, even though here's the catch though, the prices are so cheap, I'm missing out on getting some really cheap cards. But it's just you got to go some way, right? So I'm going to save up my DEC, and in 4 months I'll still have that chunk of change plus all the free SPS that I get, and then use it. And not that I hope the prices are still low, but I think everything's relevant. You got to do something, right? So record low on asset value right now is 726 was back in March. So see, it goes up and down. It goes up and down. But I'm at 778 right now. This could be back up to 900 by tonight. That's how volatile it is. I've only got 117 cards because I keep burning. I'm a burnaholic. I love to burn cards. And it makes my cards more powerful, but it also makes your card more rare. And you're welcome. My PowerPoints have gone down the last couple of days because I'm not buying new cards, and I've sold off some. And instead of buying new, I've stockpiled it. So it's a trade-off. But you want this number to keep going higher and higher. This is a good indicator. See, I could just by looking at this say, well, I see effect it's having on my card collection. Okay. And I've got 3 different sections. I got the flip section. I've got the investment section, and then I've got the game section, the ones I use to play the game. And I rent out the investment ones because I'm going to keep those. I've got $64 in free SPS that they've given me. They give you some every day. And when I joined, it was at a quarter. It's now at 11 cents. It's been as low as 9. So I'm at, like I said, as bad as things are, I'm still going to walk away. Now that's $16. So I could turn that in and grab my 278. This is after I paid myself back. So I'd get my money back and still walk away $300 if I just totally cashed out. Not bad. When things are bad and you're still walking away with a profit, that's a good sign. That's a very good sign. So that's all I'm going to talk about today. I got to get to be someplace. There's when I'm renting. If you remember yesterday, I was making 300 to 500 DC because the closer to the end of the season it gets, the more rent you can get. 23 rate of return, and I guess I can look at the site real quick. Let's just go look at the. Yeah, see, there's my. I can now go all the way to silver 2. I've got a long way to go. It gets easier each day the season goes because more and more people are getting up higher and out of my way, and I start battling people more at my level so I can win more. Plus, the fire deck I got next to the life deck is my weakest deck. So I got my ass handed to me, no doubt about it. But you'd be shocked how, look, if you start playing and you're losing a lot, it doesn't matter. Nothing's permanent. It's not doing anything to you or your cards. Don't, you might feel that way. But just remember, everybody gets their ass kicked. Okay. That has no bearing on you. It just means your deck's not as powerful against a lot of other people. I hear a lot of complaints about bots. Yeah, you're probably playing some bots. I'll admit that, but it's irrelevant. Just keep battling. Okay, just keep battling, and eventually, all of a sudden, you'll be up. I never could get to silver, and if you watch my early videos, and now I got into silver two seasons in a row, and I maybe could have got to silver one if I had really gone for it, type thing. And so gold's my next, stop. But that's all I'm going to do. That, like I said, I got to get going tomorrow. I'll talk about how all the different ways to make money on this site. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Join in the link below for Splinterlands. It helps me out. They got an affiliate program. That's one of the ways I show people how to make money. Is I get 5% of everything that person purchases. The spell book and land, or not land, spell book and packs. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.